This video is part of the Team How To Answers Under a Minute series. Hey guys, today I want to talk about how to add some upload defaults to your videos so you don't have to type everything in every time. From the YouTube studio, we come into settings and we go to upload defaults. From here you can fill in things that will automatically populate. I have my description filled out with quite a bit of stuff, different video series as I want them to be able to see, whatnot. And the advanced settings got a lot more stuff. Your licensing, your categories, your languages, all the things that you have to check every time. In this case, you don't have to. You can just put the defaults in and you're good to go. And there's one thing under the channel that's worth looking at in the advanced settings. You can come in here and check this as the default, whether it's for kids or not for kids, because you know they've gone through a big change recently about that. Pretty much that's everything. Hope that helps. For more details on this topic, check out these videos.
Hey, did you remember to subscribe?